Stop field. Stop field. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop field. Order filled. Stop field. Stop field. Stop field. Stop field. Stop field. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
I continue to learn and practice scalping techniques. So market opened at 9:30 US time. I gave myself like 20 minutes to see the overall trend. Then my first order was here. So I saw this trend line. I saw two bullish bars, and I entered over here. But I have a stop loss for 8 ticks, so I was out because of my stop loss over here. The same thing happened here. So not the same basically, but the bar was bullish. I decided to enter at the bar closing, so again my stop loss worked over here. Then I had kind of like a risky order, but what I saw is that the chart started to go down. I consider that like some sort of retracement phase. I saw two bearish bars, and I entered at this level, and this order worked for me, plus $20. Then it was a skyrocket. I missed that because the bar was too big, so I was afraid if I enter I might be out because of my stop loss for 8 ticks. But I was afraid to do this here, but I was not afraid to enter the deal at this level, and again I was out by a stop loss. But I understand that in general the stop loss should be below the bar, and in this case like I would gain my 2 points over here, but I do not want to risk like 10 points to get 2. So yeah. Here I saw, I consider that this is a lower high, and here I was kind of like right, but I entered at this level. I saw two bearish bars. I entered. My stop loss worked. Then I had couple positive deals. I saw the bearish trend. I saw two negative bars. I entered at the closing of the bar, and I got my like 27 bucks. And at the end I was waiting that the chart will proceed the bullish trend, Then I saw that it continued to be a bearish. The bar crossed these lines, so I decided to enter at the bar. When the bar closed, I decided to enter, but then it reversed. So yeah. So in total today I lost 4 points plus commission about $20, so minus $60. Have a good day, everyone.